Hello, parents and some students who might be watching this. My name is Seth Ponder. I'm making this video because this is my version of an open house e-learning style. So first of all, my name is Seth Ponder. I work here at Riley High School. I teach Introduction to Engineering Design, Digital Electronics, Aerospace Engineering, and Introduction to Computer Science. My wife and I have 3 boys here in South Bend, Indiana. And I'm part of kind of all of this. This is a collection of all the things that I like to do and other things, right? So this slide will be available for you so you can click on it and learn more about me. And let's talk about the open house and kind of the classroom while we're e-learning. So this is my version of my classroom e-learning style. I'm going to be using Google Classroom, and we can do all kinds of things with this. It's pretty powerful. We can meet our students by clicking Google Meet and having virtual meetings. It's connected to a Google Calendar for the students, Google Folder, and also grades. Now, I'm going to tell you, I don't do grades with this. I do grades with PowerSchool because here in South Bend Schools, we encourage all of our parents to check PowerSchool and our students to check PowerSchool regularly so that students know about attendance and parents know about attendance and also grades and things like that. When it comes to attendance in my class, this tab is always going to be on the top of the Google Classroom. And so this is where I need students to complete this Google form every day. So it's just going to be first name, last name. They're going to click on the date for when they're doing the attendance, class period. How are you doing today? I want to know if they're feeling awful or they're feeling excellent and anywhere in between, so that I can send them emails or check on them and things like that, since I can't do it in class. Now, the questions after that will change from day to day and week to week, depending on what we're studying and what we're going over. That is a way for me to take attendance, because when I'm sharing my screen on here with students, I can't see if students are coming and going and things like that. And so this is just an easy way for me to take attendance every day. And if a student forgets to do that, they can do it in the evening, or they can do it the next day if they see that on PowerSchool they were marked absent. We have some activities that we're going to be starting today. Here are some resources. And down here, I really want to point out that we have an agenda for each week. And so the agenda here is going to tell us all the things that we're doing for each day, so that if a student missed a day, they can go back and get caught up. And they can also find some information about Riley High School, my email address, and some social media accounts that they can follow for Riley High School. I will tell you that when we start week 2, I'm not going to delete this. I'll just add on to it, so that if a student missed a Friday or we get new students added, we can easily catch up. And it's also a good bookmark for me, so that when students come in, that I can remember what we did. Let me also point out that I'm trying to record each day's videos or each day's Google Meets, so that I can put it on there and students can see what they missed, if of course they cannot attend at the time, or internet goes out or something happens. So I'm trying my best to record and then post there later in the afternoon. I hope everybody is having a good start to the school year. Feel free to contact me with my email at sponder.sb.school if you have any questions. Looking forward to a good school year. Go Wildcats!